Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to sign out of your 4T Trader account. To sign out of 4T Trader, open your 4T Trader app first on your smartphone, and once you're inside the home page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the account button. From your account section, scroll all the way down and look for the logout button and tap on it. Just make sure you remember your credentials before logging out so that you can get access to your account again. After hitting logout, click on Yes Logout once again, and you have successfully signed out of your 4T Trader account just like that. There you have it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.